Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about ordinal numbers. Now ordinal numbers are different than cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinal numbers are used for expressing things like a rank, first, second, third place in a contest or competition, or they used to express anniversaries. For example, this is my second wedding anniversary, and it's also used commonly in the calendar for dates. For example, June 1st, June 2nd. So this is where we use ordinal numbers. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to write ordinal numbers and also pronounce them correctly, right? Don't be scared, because I will try to explain it as simple as possible. Listen carefully and good luck. So we're going to look here. This is the first, and I underlined the two first letters in blue because it's very important. So when we want to write an ordinal number, we must use the last two letters. This is first, and we write it like this: ST up here. Let's move on to second. We write it like this because the last two letters of second is ND. So we put here ND. First, second, and third. The two last letters of third is RD. RD. The next, fourth, fifth, we write 5 and TH. Sixth and again TH. Seventh, 8th, 9th, and 10th. TH, of course. So you can see most of them use the TH, just the first, second, and third. ST, ND, and RD. You have to be careful. Now let's move to pronounce them, because pronunciation can be a little bit difficult. So let's try to say them. First, second, third, fourth. When I say fourth, my tongue comes out. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Now let's continue with our ordinal numbers. The next after 10th is 11th, and 12th is very difficult to pronounce. If you look at here, you see that F. Many people try to pronounce it with the F. 12th. It doesn't work, so we don't pronounce the F. We just skip it. For example, if you catch that F, imagine it's not there. 12th. That's a little bit easier. You can just say 12th. 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. Alright, let's look at 20th. 20 has Y, but you can see they take out the Y and they put in in I-E-T-H. After 20th, we have 21st, 21st, 22nd, 22nd, 23rd, 23rd, 24th, 24th, 25th, 25th, 26th, 26th, 27th, 27th, 28th, 28th, 29th, 29th, and 30th, 30th. Be sure to pronounce them correctly, and let's move on to some bigger numbers. I put some numbers here, and we are going to guess whether they use ST, ND, RD, or TH. Okay, we only have 4 choices. The first number is 56. 56. So, if we want to change that to an ordinal number, we have to choose one of these, okay? Well, we know 6 is TH, 6th, 6th, and it's gonna be the same, 56th, 56th. So we'll write TH there. Let's move on to the next number. This is gonna be like 21st, 21st. So this is gonna be 91st, 91st. The next one are 100. It's gonna be the TH, 100th, 100th. The next number we have 101, 101. It's gonna be 101st, 101st. The last one is 1000, 1000. So it's gonna be 1000th, 1000th. Now we're gonna do a quick test, and you should think about what the correct ordinal number is. The number 1 is, it is September 20th. It is September 20th. 20th. You should write it like this. Number 2. Seoul National University is ranked first. Seoul National University is ranked first. Okay? Number 3. We live in the 21st century. We live in the 21st century. Okay? Number 4. I was born on March 17th. I was born on March 17th. Number 5. We are celebrating our 12th wedding anniversary. We are celebrating our 12th wedding anniversary. Alright? So I hope you did well on the test because ordinal numbers are important, so you should know them. I hope this video helps you to understand better. Well, that's it. See you next time.